Hey, Mark. You look a bit confused today.
Yeah, I had a strange morning.
Oh, really? What happened?
I was at a shopping mall and I couldn't find the restroom.
Oh, no. That's one of the worst situations.
I know, I walked around for like 10 minutes. I checked every corner. Nothing.
Did you try asking someone?
I wanted to, but I just stood there thinking, what do I say?
Ah, so you didn't know how to ask.
Exactly. I didn't want to sound strange.
That's actually very normal. A lot of people feel the same way. Okay, let's think about it together. If you were speaker two, what would you say?
Maybe, where is the restroom?
Yes, that's perfect. If you said that, great job. That's exactly what people say in real life.
Really? It's that simple?
Yes, most real conversations are simple. So, speaker two, let's go back to your situation. You're standing in the mall. You see someone. What do you say first?
Maybe just, where is the restroom?
That works, but let's make it a little more natural.
Okay.
Try adding, excuse me.
So, excuse me, where's the restroom?
Exactly. That sounds polite and friendly.
Yeah, it feels better, not too direct.
Right, and people are more likely to help you.
What if I feel nervous?
That's okay. You don't need perfect English. Even simple words are enough.
So, I don't need long sentences.
No, short is better. Clear is better.
That actually makes me feel more confident.
Now imagine this. You ask, excuse me, where's the restroom? And the person says, it's on the second floor next to the elevator.
Okay, but what if I don't understand everything?
Good question. That happens a lot.
Yeah, especially when people speak fast.
Exactly. So what can you say?
Maybe, sorry?
Yes, that's a good start. You can also say, sorry, which floor?
Oh, that's better. More specific.
Right. You don't need to understand everything, just ask again.
So, it's okay to ask again.
Of course, people do that all the time.
That makes me feel less stressed.
Good, because learning English should not feel stressful. All right, new situation. You're in a supermarket. You want to find something.
Okay, like what?
Let's say milk.
Yeah, that's common.
Let's say milk.
Yeah, that's common.
So you walk around, but you can't find it. What do you do?
I think I would ask, excuse me, where can I find milk?
Perfect. That's exactly what people say.
That sounds easy.
Yes, very simple and very natural.
So, where can I find is useful.
Very useful. You can use it for anything.
Like, where can I find bread? Where can I find rice?
Exactly. Now imagine someone answers you. They say it's in aisle 5.
Okay, but what if I don't know where that is?
Good point. What would you say?
Can you show me?
Yes, that's great. Very natural.
Or maybe, where is aisle 5?
Also perfect.
So I can ask again.
Yes, always.
That makes things easier.
Let's try a short conversation. Ready?
Ready. Excuse me, where can I find milk?
It's in aisle 5.
Sorry, where is aisle 5?
It's over there, next to the drinks.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That feels very real.
Because it is. Now, let's go outside. You're walking in a new area. You need a pharmacy.
Okay.
What would you say?
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Perfect. That's very natural.
So, is useful.
Very useful. You can use it for anything.
Like, is there a cafe nearby? Is there a bank nearby?
Exactly. Now imagine someone says, yes, there is one near the bank.
Okay.
What do you want to know next?
How far is it?
Yes, that's the next natural question.
Or maybe, how long does it take?
Also very good.
So I can keep asking.
Yes, that's how real conversations work. Now let's connect everything. You ask,
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
good. Then,
Where is it?
yes, then,
How far is it?
perfect. That's a complete conversation.
Yeah, it flows naturally.
Exactly. Now you're inside a building. You need the elevator.
Okay.
What do you say?
Excuse me, where's the elevator?
Perfect.
That feels easy now.
Because you're getting used to it. Now someone says it's next to the stairs.
Okay.
What if you don't understand?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes, very useful sentence.
Or maybe, can you say that again?
Exactly. Now let's try something more natural. You're in a mall, you ask more than one question.
Okay. Excuse me, where's the restroom? Which floor is it? Is it far?
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
Yeah, it feels like real life.
Let's do a full conversation.
Excuse me, is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there is one near the bank.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it's right next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, speaker 2, let's try a quick challenge. You're in a mall, ask 3 questions.
Excuse me, where's the restroom? Where can I find food? Is there a cafe nearby?
Nice, that's very natural.
I feel much more confident now.
So, speaker 2, how do you feel now?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because I don't need complicated English.
Exactly. Simple questions are enough.
And I can always ask again.
Yes, that's very important.
Next time, I won't walk around for 10 minutes.
Good, just ask someone.
I will.
And remember, just be polite, be simple, and be confident.
Got it.
All right, see you next time.
See you.